Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter W. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर W का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter W. Letter W पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of W is W. 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 W की आवाज है W. 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 Trace W with a pencil. W पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from W. अब हम W से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. W, watch. W, watermelon. W, window. W, worm. W, watch. W, watermelon. W, window. W, worm. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. शाबाश. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. W letter, well, well, well.
W letter, well, well, well.
W letter, ring the bell.
W letter, ring the bell.
Circle letter W in the given letters. इन letters में letter W के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Shabash. Connect whale to the ocean with the help of lines. Bravo. Connect watch to the wrist with the help of lines. Bravo. Connect wheel to the bicycle with the help of lines. Bravo! Dear teachers, introduce letter W with phonic song. Ask children to name the given W words. Discuss health benefits of eating watermelon. Children will make wristwatch from low-cost and no-cost material. Teach vocabulary as sight words with play cards or pictures. Repeat the words watch, window, well, whale, watermelon, and wheel. Do you know Watermelon has high water content.